In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Webflow. Easy guide. First, open Webflow and head to Your Sites area so you're looking at the main list of projects in your workspace. From here, go to your Workspace dashboard. This puts you at the control center where you can manage settings for your projects and workspace. Open the specific site you want to connect by choosing Open in Webflow. Once the site loads, briefly confirm you're in the right project. Then follow the highlighted prompt to return to its dashboard view. Back on the project dashboard, look for the section called Apps and Integrations. This is where Webflow keeps official add-ons and connections that expand your site's capabilities. Select Manage to open the integration settings for your workspace. Then choose Find an app to browse the Webflow app marketplace. In the search bar, type HubSpot. You should see the official HubSpot app appear in the results. Click the HubSpot result that's highlighted to open its details page, and then select Install App. A short series of prompts will guide you through the installation. If you're asked to confirm the workspace or site, use the highlighted option to proceed with the project you just opened. When you're shown the permissions screen, review the requested access, then click Authorize App. These permissions allow Webflow to pass form submissions and relevant data to HubSpot, so your CRM can capture, track, and organize contacts. After authorization, you'll be redirected to a secure HubSpot connection page. Continue with the on-screen Connect your Webflow account to HubSpot prompt. If you have multiple HubSpot accounts, make sure you choose the correct one for this website. You may see the connection screen again to finalize the link. Simply confirm once more to complete the setup. When the connection finishes, you'll land back in Webflow with the integration active. At this point, your site and HubSpot are linked, and Webflow can send form submissions to HubSpot automatically based on the permissions you approved. If you ever need to revisit settings, you can always return to your project dashboard, open Apps and Integrations, and manage the HubSpot app from there. That's it. Your Webflow site is connected to HubSpot. This streamlined setup ensures your marketing and sales teams get clean, timely data right where they work, without extra copy-paste or custom code. If a prompt looks slightly different in your workspace, just follow the highlighted buttons and the same authorization flow you saw here. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new, seamless